Let me show you the way that you transfer playlists to Amazon Music. Let's say you're trying to transfer one of your Spotify playlists inside of Amazon Music. The way that you do it is through a platform called Tune My Music. This is one of the offshore platforms that lets you transfer music or playlists from one platform to the other. So if you are trying to transfer songs into Amazon Music, you need to first of all select the source. These are all of the platforms that you can connect to. Just hover over and select the platform that you want to transfer from. Make sure that this account is already logged in on this browser. Click on a load from Spotify. Make sure that you log into your Spotify or any other platform that you're trying to transfer from. Select all of these songs or the playlist that you're trying to transfer and then click on choose destination. On the destination point, you'll need to select the Amazon Music. Search for Amazon Music on the search bar. Make sure you log in, click on allow, and then click on start transfer. And there you go, the transfer process now has started from Spotify to Amazon Music. This could be any platform that you like, YouTube Music, Apple Music, or any other platform that you might have. Once that is done, click on continue. And there you go, the transfer process is now complete. If you head back to your library inside of Amazon Music, you'll be able to see the exact playlist that you just transferred. You'll be also able to view all of the songs that are inside of this playlist as well. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to transfer playlists to Amazon Music. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe for more future videos just like this.